Okay, so here are some extra examples for section 11.8 problems from the homework to take a look at and kind of go over. Um, Number 9, I guess we'll start with 9. Uh, it's area of a circle, so it's pi r squared. And for this one, the radius is 4. So area equals pi times 4 squared. Oh, gotta pull my thing here real quick. Yeah. So area equals pi times 4 squared. Now what I want to see is this. 4 squared is 16, so this is 16 pi. What were the units on this again? Centimeters. So centimeters squared. And then after that, you can get your calculator out. And then do 16 times, where's my pi button on this guy at? Oh, pi. No. Which is, or 16 times 3.14. That's what I actually did in class. So 50.24. So 50.4. Okay. Now for a lot of these problems here, then really up through 9 through 18, it's all the same thing, just except for you got to find the radius. So if it's the diameter like 11 is, divide it by 2, divide 20.3 by 2, and a lot of good stuff. Number 22 then, this is a sector, and the formula for the area of a sector is area is angle over 360 times pi r squared. So in this case our angle is 240 degrees, and the radius is 1. Okay. So if I cut to my paper, angle over 360 times pi r squared, angle over 360 times pi times 1 squared. Now what ends up happening in this one is if you reduce this, 24 over 36 is actually 2/3 pi times 1, because 1 squared is 1, so it's really just 2/3 pi, so 2/3 times pi. So then we go to the calculator, 2 divided by 3, enter, times 3.14, enter, we get 2.09, so the area is approximately 2.1 square feet. Now the next type of problem I want to take a look at is on the next page of the homework. It's number 26. 26 says, okay, the area of a circle is 35.6 square centimeters. What's the diameter? So area equals 35.6 square centimeters. What's the diameter? Okay. Well, the area formula for a circle is area equals pi r squared. So 35.6 equals 3.14 r squared then. So we're going to divide by 3.14. Okay. 35.6 divided by 3.14 is 11.3376. Okay. And then we'll take the square root of both sides. And that is, yeah, 3.367 is the radius. So to find the diameter, double that. So 3.367 times 2. Diameter is then 6.7 centimeters, because it did say nearest tenth. Okay. And then the last problem that I'm going to take a look at here for section 11 or 11.8, yeah, 11.8, is number 28. So you got a semicircle. And you got to find the perimeter and area for it. So number 28 down here at the bottom. Okay. Now, the area is actually the easier thing to find because it's just half the circle. So find the area and divide it by 2. The radius in this case is 4. So it's 1/2 pi times 4 squared, 16 over 2 pi, because 1/2 of 4 squared is 1/2 of 16, so it's 8 pi. So 8 times 3.14 gives us 25.1 square millimeters. Now, perimeter is a little tougher because you've got half the circumference, but you've also got your diameter. Okay. So 1/2 the circumference is 2 pi r, and your diameter then is just your diameter. So we have 1/2 2 pi times 4 plus 8. So that's really 4 pi plus 8. And then just do 4 times 3.14, which is 12.56 plus 8, 20.56, which is approximately 20.6 millimeters for your perimeter. Okay. All right, that's it for section 11.8.